Hi everyone! Today I have the ultimate book of vehicles from around the world by Anne-Sophie Ballman and illustrated by Didier Belizovic. There are several books in this ultimate book series, and right now we're going to talk about this one. This is a very fun and interesting book for the children to learn about vehicles because there are many flaps and pull tabs and pop-ups. Now let's see the inside. There are so many different kinds of vehicles in this book, and the children can learn their names and they can play with it too, so they can find out how the vehicles work and what the certain vehicles used for. This book can keep the children busy by playing with all the pull tabs and flaps, and we can see the insides of some vehicles, and the children can also learn where to find these kind of vehicles. Since this book has so many flaps and pull tabs, do be careful when you read this book with your toddler because they can't control their strength yet, so they tend to rip this book. Overall, I think this is a very interesting and fantastic book for your kids because it is very fun and educating at the same time. So that's Mommy's review for me. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.